Welcome to CADCIM Technologies.
Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you something really interesting inside AutoCAD 2027. The new Autodesk Assistant. AutoCAD Assistant is a smart AI feature in AutoCAD 2027 that helps you work faster. It helps with suggesting commands as you work, finding tools quickly, fixing errors and guiding you, giving help when things get complex. It makes your workflow smoother by saving time, reducing mistakes, improving accuracy, making learning easier. Now, let's see how AutoCAD Assistant actually works in real time. Simply type AS on your keyboard. You get this chat-style interface. So this is what it looks like. At the bottom, you've got a chat box where you type. Above that, you'll see suggested prompts. And it also saves your history, which is actually very useful. Also, you'll notice it says Tech Preview. So yeah, it's still improving. Now this is the fun part. Instead of manually going to the commands, simply select this option from the suggested prompt. Select all polylines that are not by layer. And the assistant will actually understand it. Find those objects and select them for you. No command typing, nothing. You can even check your drawing standards. Just type something like, check this drawing with the standards file, and it will compare your drawing, find mistakes, and show you a clean report. Super useful if you're working professionally. You can also ask questions like, show me all layers, and it'll instantly give you that info. So basically, instead of searching manually, you just ask. Over time, it even remembers your prompts. So you can reuse them, build your workflow. And honestly, it just makes things faster. Just one thing, since it's still in tech preview, don't blindly trust everything. Always double check important stuff. But yeah, this is a big step toward AI in design. Let me know what you think about this feature. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Another exciting enhancement in AutoCAD 2027 is coming soon.
Thank you. Catch you in the next video.